through the pen 2 times for the nigga here. I ain't seen too many motherfuckers that a nigga fear. BS1's in my chain, nigga, hella clear. 012 is over, so I'm focused on another year.
Yo, what up with your girl Natalie and Shay? We in this motherfucker.
That's right.
We over here at Sean Kingston's house. Soldier Boy's in this bitch. Bryant McKinney's in this bitch. Young Bird.
I told y'all when my brother got right, he was gonna get right. Right? You wanna shut that down over there like they trying to fuck over there? Shut that down.
And this shit is real light out here. We in Miami. Yes. 4th of July weekend.
Don't you look good?
Shout out to Justin, the cameraman, looking all flying.
Brian McKinney, where you at, baby?
Brian's over there taking shots of Patron. He got us fucked up.
I'm in the limelight, gotta get my mind right. I know the time's right. I'm in the limelight, I'm in the limelight, gotta get my mind right. I know the time's right. I'm in the limelight.
Now what I'm gonna do next, right? I'm gonna call this bougie ass scripper over here, right? Don't move. Damn Peace! Come here now! For real! This is the bougie girl Damn Peace, right?
Never bougie, never Hollywood.
Alright, we're
He's a
finna try
liar,
right now. Look at me. We're finna try right now. She said she never bougie.
Everybody look at him.
Show the camera your titties right now. Bougie. Bougie. Here you go right
I'm
now.
a boss. I don't
Bougie.
show my titties. You got some money?
You see that? How much?
We'll see. When I start feel like it's sufficient, I'll show them.
But just turn around and look at all these bitches. Just turn around and look at all these bitches. Uh-oh. Angela Peace. Motherfucking AKA motherfucking Miami. Come to that nail spa, whatever the fuck she got, man.
I know the time's right. I'm in the limelight. I'm in the limelight. Gotta get my mind right. I know the time's right. I'm in the limelight. Yeah. Gotta get my money, stack my dough.
You ain't gonna make it to KOD. I am. Let's go. Shots.
Get my money, stack my dough. Get my money, stack my dough. Get my money, stack my dough. Yeah.
That shit got a fuck out of there. Oh my God.
It's 4th of July and firecrackers are going off and this shit is live out here. When the shit popped off, nobody jumped over here. We ain't never scared.
He's sticking in his bitch. Who on this shit? He's sticking in his bitch. He's sticking in his bitch. Who on this bitch? He's sticking in his bitch.
I mean, Mama. Yeah. This is Mama Kingston.
Wait, Mama Kingston.
Yeah, come to the camera, Mama.
Mama Kingston, Justin. When the firecrackers popped off, did you jump?
Hell no.
We ain't never scared.
They never scared of that.
It was like pop. I was like, oh shit.
Yeah, dog.